You are at the hospital.
I'm gay.
Registration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there. Off my car now. Off my car now.
Asking you where is my destination, if you would kindly point
I
at where I
pulled
am
into your destination. It said car is at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
1760.
out of my car now.
Sir, it said...
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking fuck my car.
Not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
9-1. Fuck you.
You are facing
Get
very...
out right fucking.
You are facing
Get
very...
out of my car. Fuck you fucking moron. Get out. No. No. Fucking car.
I'm gay.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car. Uh-oh. Can you get her out of my car, please?